Cheers! To new friends. Yeah. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. to get a workout in because I'm insane. So off I go to the gym. So that was a really fun workout. I would say, wait, does this, I don't want to be close. I want to be far away. There we go. So that was such a fun workout. I really enjoyed it. I really pushed myself hardcore for the first half, and then I started flagging a bit. And then by the time I was doing weights at the end, I was kind of slowly putting them away because I was stalling for time because I was tired. And then the instructor comes over and starts like putting the weights away and being like, I've got it, go to the rower, get it in, get it in. And I was like, no, thank you. But I was stalling. Anyway, that's the way that my workout life goes. Now I've got to put up my main C2E2 vlog on my main channel, and then I have to go to work. And then later tonight I have improvised Jane Austen again because we have our run for April that's concluding now at McCaw Theater. Alright, it's time to go to work. I had to switch into a long sleeve shirt because it's still kind of chilly outside. Whoa, it got bright. Let's go back. Yeah, no, I just need to find my wallet. I don't know where I stuck my purse after working out. Oh well. I packed a lunch and a dinner because right after work I do have to rush to go to my performance. You know, it's one of those busy days. Alright, I'm back at the medical school and I'm in my gown and I'm ready to play this patient who has a really bad headache all the time. She's got migraines, so I'm doing that all afternoon. I'm all changed into my Jane Austen apparel and it's time to get to the theater. Oh, I'm vlogging. Yeah. I always confuse everyone around me because I'm talking to the camera. But yeah, no, I did a quick change. I'm wearing a shirt I haven't worn in like 3 years actually. I'm excited that it fits again. And this is actually Sarah's jacket. And I'm wearing some fun leathery pants from Express, but it's fake leather because number one, I don't really do that. Number two, I'm poor, so yeah. Oh my god, guys, Chicago has psycho weather. Psycho! It's absolutely freezing now. Oh, I'm freezing my butt off. I'll put up my hood. That's right, it's so cold, I put up my hood. Ah. And that wind, you know, that's the real kicker, the wind. The wind is what makes it so bad. I just can't believe it because it was so nice the other day. And now I'm like, I wish I had my winter coat because I'm freezing. Oh well, just gotta make it to the theater, do this performance, have fun, maybe get a drink afterwards, and then, oh yeah, I signed up for another workout at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm crazy, guys. I'm going crazy.
No, that can be. In the video, my burp.
While I'm making faces at my camera, just you burping. I will keep that. Well, that was a fun show. I ended up a spinster. My character never found anybody, but it's wine time. Yay! Yeah, we're all just gathering after. Cheers.
Hi, good to see you again.
Everybody.
Look how intelligent I look. So I'm doing the thing, Vicky, where I look at the thing instead of the camera.
Everyone does that.
She was so funny tonight playing a spinster.
Shut up.
And then when you like, when you left the ball and you're like, I'm out of here. What did you say?
I said, I'm going to go get another drink.
And she left because there was not another man for her.
There was not a man for me.
Had 3 men.
It's okay. That's what happens.
There was like 5 ladies. No, none of the ladies had a partner.
In a small town, that's what happens.
I love you.
Cynthia Michelle. Woo! What is this?
I don't know, Baz. I said, make me something good for these guys over here.
Oh, you're so sweet, Michelle.
All right, it's a mystery shot. Cheers.
To new friends.
Yeah. Good night.
I love you so
I love you. Mwah, you're the best.
Mwah, we love you.
Always love. Okay guys, it's been a great day, long day. Tomorrow's another long day. So I'm walking back to my car now and I'm just gonna say good night. I love you all. Make sure that you're subscribed. I know you're subscribed. The people who watch my vlog are the best people. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.